Good day students, welcome in your English online class. We are continuing with chapter 2 related to the topic the sentence, and today is the turn of exercise number 2.4. Now in this exercise, rewrite the given sentences using capital letters and putting a full stop, a mark of interrogation or a mark of exclamation where required. So we have to read the sentences, and according to the applicability we have to add up these marks. So here we are. First sentence is Samina dances beautifully. Now we see that the name is given, and in a sentence the first letter will always and always in capitals. So you will write here in capitals Samina dances gracefully, beautifully, sorry. The word is given beautifully. Now you will add up here full stop, because here only simple sentences, here declarative sentences this. Next is who will water the plants in our absence. Now here we are seeing that the structure of the sentence is of interrogative, because we are putting a question, who will water the plants in our absence. हमारी absence में plants को पानी कौन देगा. So the first letter will be capital. It will always be capital in all the sentences. Only we have to take care of the last signs, whether it will be full stop or sign of exclamation or sign of interrogation. We have to take care of them. Who will water the plant in our absence? Now which sign will come? Sign of question mark will be added after the word absence, because we are framing a question here. And at number 3 we are having what a nice weather it is. Now we are expressing our sudden feeling, what a nice weather it is. Maybe the sentence is starting with what W family, but it is not a question, it is not an interrogative sentence, because we are presenting our sudden feeling. So W will be capital, what a nice weather it is, sign of exclamation will be added here. At number 4, did Rohit go to see the principal? Now again we see that we are framing a question, because we are putting the helping verb at the first place. Did Rohit, D will be capital, Rohit, R will be capital, and the rest of the words will remain same, but the P of the word principal will be capital, and it will always be in capital, and sign of question mark will be added at the last. Did Rohit go to see the principal, sign of question mark. At number 5, how difficult the question was. Now we see that the first letter will always be capital. It is written here small. H will be capital. How difficult the question was, sign of exclamation. कितना मुश्किल question था. Now we are not framing a question. We are simply expressing our reaction. कितना मुश्किल question था. And at number 6, about 1 million pilgrims visited the temple this year. Now again A will be capital, the rest of the words will same, pilgrims visited this year. Now again we are sharing this information, we are just declaring this statement, so we will add up full stop here, because बच्चे यहाँ पर हम ना तो सडन रिएक्शन दे रहे हैं, ना हम क्वेश्चन फ्रेम कर रहे हैं, हम सिर्फ एक इन्फॉर्मेशन को शेयर कर रहे हैं. अबाउट 1 million pilgrims visited the temple this year. इस साल 1 million जो है वो तीर्थयात्रियों ने टेम्पल को विजिट किया था. नेक्स्ट इज Babu has brought a new pet monkey. Now Babu is the name, so B will be capital. Babu has brought a new pet monkey. Rest of the words are same, because there is nothing special, and again we are sharing an information. This is declarative sentence, so we will add up full stop at the last. Next is, did you watch the match between India and Pakistan last night? So we see that here कि क्या तुमने पिछली रात को भारत और पाकिस्तान के जो बीच मैच हुआ था वो देखा था? नाउ वी आर फ्रेमिंग अ क्वेश्चन. अगेन फर्स्ट लेटर विल ऑलवेज बी कैपिटल. डिड यू वॉच द मैच बिटवीन, up to here we will write the same words. Now we are seeing that India is a proper noun, name of the country, so I will be capital, and Pakistan is again the name of the country, so P will be capital. After writing last night we will add up a question mark because we are framing a question here. Next is, how selfish her mother is. कहते हैं उसकी मम्मी कितनी selfish है. How selfish her mother is. Now again we are expressing our reaction towards her mother. So how selfish her mother is. उसकी मम्मी कितनी स्वार्थी है. We are not framing a question but rather we are expressing our feelings. So sign of exclamation will be added here. Won't he come to see his ailing grandmother? Now won't he come to see his ailing grandmother. क्या वो अपनी बीमार दादी माँ को देखने नहीं आएगा? So the first letter will be capital. Won't he come to see his ailing grandmother? The rest of the words will remain same, and at last we will add up sign of question mark because we are framing a question here. And students, keep it in mind, if here apostrophe is not given, only want, it is given without any apostrophe, then we have to add up apostrophe as well. I hope class that the exercise is quite clear to you. Just while reading the sentence, just go for the structure of the sentence, the meaning of the sentence, what it is presenting, not on the words. If it is starting with the what and you will, without thinking anything, you will add up sign of question mark. No, first you have to understand the structure of the sentence. Thank you class. Keep on watching, keep on gaining. Good.